Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today in this another episode of coding, I'm going to train you on how you people can create a name tag using Python language coding, and we are going to use the platform as a microbit, which I have already trained you once again before. So in order to do that, I will be taking you through the Microsoft Make Code platform, where I would be training you how exactly you people can create a name tag of your own. Okay, so I'm going to keep this video a little bit short because once the video is over, you people may go ahead and then you people may practice on the same. So let's proceed ahead, people. In order to make this name tag today, this is the link which you all have to access it, which is makecode.microbit.org, and then I would be taking you through the further platform in order to go about it. So let's start quickly, people, and now I'm going to train you actually how you people can go about and create a name tag. So once you will be accessing that link, the one that I've just shown you right now, people, so this would be the web page that you would open up in front of you, and all that you people have to do is you need to click on new project, and once you people will be clicking on name, that is new project, you can give any name to it. For example, since I'm going to train you on creating a name tag today, so you can give this project a name of name tag. Okay, so this is how you people are going to start now, and I'm, as I've already said, that today what I'm going to do is, people, I'm not going to train you through the blocks today. I'm going to train you using Python as a coding language. So what you people have to do is, once you will be there on this platform that I'm just showing you right now, you need to click on this drop down icon, and then you people have to click on Python. Okay, so by default, that is, this particular thing would be there because we need to create a forever loop, because then your name tag would start flashing, and once this code is ready, you people may go ahead and then you people may download this particular code on microbit as a platform also. So whatever we are going to do it today, once I will be generating the code, the same thing will be able to see this thing on the simulator as well. Okay, so let's proceed ahead, people, and now we are going to start over on creating with the name tag. So the first thing that we people have to type in is, this is the time that would be typing in, since we have to create a string today, and that is how the name tag would be created. So you need to click on this particular option, which is basic.show.string. Okay, so once you click on basic.show.string, so this is the thing that would come by default, but I don't have to type in hello over there. What I need to do it today is, since my project says that I need to create name tag today, so this is how exactly I'm going to proceed ahead. I would be typing over here that my name is, and then you people have to go about and you will be putting a colon in between, and you people have to give in the space also. Okay, and then you have to click the enter button from the keyboard, because this is the first thing that people is going to come over here. And how we people can exactly test this thing is, because this particular command I have already typed in, I can test this command. I can click on the play button over here, so you can see it is, you are able to see that my name is thing is coming over here. So this is how the things are going to proceed ahead. So let's now type in the next command. The next command that we have to do in today is that we need to type in the name altogether. So again, I have to click in the show string only. We will go about by that, because I need the string to be shown up over here. So I would be selecting this command for the Python as a language. Okay, and then I will be typing in over my name over here, which obviously I'm going to write in my name, but once you people will be creating a code of your own, you will go ahead and type in your own name. So once I have written this command, what I would be doing is, people, that I would be proceeding ahead, and then I would be testing the same thing which is mentioned up over here. How I can go about testing the thing is, I can type in the things over here, and this is how the things are going to flash over. So first of all, it is going to show you that my name is, and then your name is going to be reflecting in the system over there, right there in front of you people. So this is how you people can go about, and you people can create a name tag. There are further things that people can do in case if you want to, create a favorite color tag as well. You can type in and give another command over here. Again, the it would be a basic show string only. I can go about, and then I can mention over here like favorite color. Okay, so this is what I would be going about, and once I've done this thing, I can go about and then I can mention this. So I will write down the first question is my favorite color. The next thing that I will do is, again, I will type in the command for the basics dot show string, and then I can go about and type in any color of your own choice over here. So this is how it would go about, people. And once this thing is done, I'm over here. So you need to click on the play icon. So again, it will show you the forever loop right from the beginning, where each and everything is going to be reflecting there in front of you. Okay, so once this thing is done, people, what you people would be doing is, once this command is created, you will go about and you can save or you can download this command. So this is how you will be going about. So I have created and I have shown you for the name and for the favorite color. But in case if you need other things to be added up to the lid, you can go about and you can add it up on your screen also. So once this thing is ready, people, and once the entire code is generated, what exactly you people have to do is, this is the download button that you people will be clicking in. And once this thing is downloaded on your computer, you need to plug in with the help of the USB cable this microbit also into your PC, where you will be transferring the code which is already generated. And then you will see this flashing, the name tag lights which is there, which you people have created today, right there in front of you. So people, now what I need you is, you may go ahead and you can practice as well. Apart from the download, what you people can do is, you will be downloading it to your that is microbit device, that is what I've said. Okay, and then the same thing can be transferred over there. But in case if you want to share your project as well, people, like this name tag, you can also go ahead and you can click on the publish project as an option. And once you will be clicking on the publish project as an option, it will give you the platform wherein you people can showcase, for example, on Facebook, Twitter, and this chat. Or you can copy this link altogether, which you people can go ahead and you can use it also. So this is all which was planned for to you today, people. And those viewers who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things which are coming up your way. In case of any queries, you can reach me on the Instagram, and my ID is cherub.teaching.center. You can also post me any queries on Cherub Teaching Center or on the Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubian, and the link of all these three IDs given in the description of this video. So thank you so much, people, for watching this video. Now I would request you to please go ahead and start practice the scores that we people have generated today, and then you will see the wonder that you have created. So thank you very much and have a nice day ahead.